You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names that many get wrong, including from tennis, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. If you enjoy those, Nick Kyrgios, yes, the G is essentially silent, you do not pronounce it, Nick Kyrgios. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support, it helps me a lot, and more videos for you here to learn more correct and free pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.